IPS is the most responsive vendor that I've ever had the pleasure of working with.
What I do know is the mobile capabilities, because of the fact that it can work in a disconnected world, and a lot of softwares do not work in a disconnected world, and we have facilities and substations that are out in the middle of nowhere that even our cell phones don't work.
It's the only place I've seen that's really a one-stop shop for everything to do with the asset management, maintenance, testing, work ordering. It's all there in one place.
One of the things is they have a product that works. They looked at the industry, they met a need, they continue to innovate in meeting that need.
Bringing new ideas to the table, looking for new solutions to old problems.
They come on board with a solution, and they also come on board with wanting to improve their product, and that is refreshing. Well, one of the things that's given us access to data in detail that we did not have in the past.
They help us improve the quality of service to our customers by being able to better document the work that we're doing, provide us a tool that is auditable, being able to track who did what, when, and by what computer.
We had several different systems that we were trying to hold that data in. You had all of these spreadsheets here and there that they would try to massage data in, try to come up with a report to be able to show that we're compliant. With IPS, all of the data is in one location. And that is probably the biggest improvement that we've been able to do since implementing IPS, is know where our data is and be able to get to it in a reasonable amount of time.
One thing that's really helped us is the workflow process management. We were able to set up a template to track our work as we move through each stage of a project, and it's helped us be more consistent and standardized in what we do, and it's helped us a lot with change control.
With our adoption of IPS, the processes have changed significantly for the better. That process, which was done on paper, is now being able to be done in the system.
So the main transformation is in data migration. The main transformation is in our data process, because one of the things that we've done since implementing IPS is we're looking for areas where we can integrate IPS with the other applications that we use. So instead of having 8 different people entering the same data into 8 different systems, with the integrations that we're able to do with IPS, you enter the data into one system and then push it or pull it to anywhere it needs to go.
Oh, well, it was a huge change for us. We had our records in vendor databases, spreadsheets, even on paper cards for our relay tests. So we took all those different systems and brought that all together in one place. So it was a huge transformation.
Everything is completely in that system. It is our system of record for our substation assets, which is wonderful.
That's been just life-changing for us.
Yes, what we're doing is taking our processes that we have and we're actually implementing them in a digital world, which a couple things that allows us to do is be very consistent. And then secondly, it allows us to be able to get that format out in a way that people can do it in a timely manner. Because one of the problems we find is there's a big lag between the work getting done and all the paperwork getting done. But in the compliance world, the paperwork is very, very important. So that's what it's allowing us to do, is to reduce human time, but it's also allowing us to improve our documentation process for compliance.